Welcome to the Grilling Oasis, where we relax, chill, and grill. Today, family, we're going to make grilled cheese. So what I did was, I got some bacon, I got some pepperoni, and we're going to just cook them both on the grill. You can use whatever pepperoni you want. So we're going to lay it out, lay the bacon down. Let's go get that good smoke flavor. Same thing with the pepperoni. The pepperoni, we want to lay out to the side because we just really want to warm that up. We're going to lay it out here. And then every time I normally cook, I have hand sanitizer. So you can use whatever hand sanitizer you want. When you touch meat, you want to make sure you kill your germs. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to sanitize our hands. Now we can touch the handle, close it down, let it cook. Alright family, so we're going to check on the bacon. As you can see, the bacon's cooking really good. So we're just going to move it out to the side. Let it finish cooking. Bacon grease. Got it cooking, which is okay. We want our bacon well done. We're gonna move it off to the side, let it finish cooking. And look at our pepperoni. Our pepperoni is done. We just wanted to warm it up. Good and warm. Doesn't take long to cook. This, you can do it for lunch, quick snack for the kids. It takes about 10 minutes in all to do it. So now we're ready to bring our bread and cheese, and then we're gonna make our grilled cheese and all. Alright family, so we got our ingredients for our pizza. Very simple. Bread, cheese, we got our pepperoni and bacon. And we're gonna wait and hold the marinara sauce till we get inside because the kids like to dip the sandwich in the marinara sauce. So we don't have to worry about getting it out here. So we got these types of bread. This is a garlic Texas toast that we're going to put out here. So they cook really nicely. And then we got regular wheat bread. I'll put it over here. So we're not going to put it directly over the fire because we don't want to burn it up. And then we got this low carb bread. So for all of us who want low carb, we got that too. If you want to see the types of bread we use, check out the grocery haul here on the website. So we're going to let this cook for a couple minutes, and then we're going to come back and put our cheese on there and then our toppings. Alright family, so we're coming back, checking on the bread that we put on out here. So we're going to flip this over. It don't take long. A little bit toward the fire there. See the grill marks, nice grill marks. Doesn't take long for it to cook. Flip this one over. The grill marks, nice grill marks. You can use whatever toppings you want on your grilled cheese. But we're using just a couple of toppings on ours today. So the first one we're going to use is cheese. This is regular American cheese. So it doesn't take a whole lot to cover it up. I'll just break it a little bit. Put the cheese on there. Cheese on this one. And then we got also pepper jack cheese. We're going to use pepper jack cheese. Two types of cheese. And then we're going to use pepper jack on our low carb bread. Again, you can use whatever toppings you want. This is your grilled cheese. We're going to put a little, make this a double cheese. Alright. Okay. Now we're going to put our meat on there. So We tore our bacon in half. So we're just gonna put one piece on there on each one. And then pepperoni. Got our pepperoni. Alright, so now all we have to do at this point is put the bread on the top. Got the low carb bread right here. Alright, we're just gonna let it cook for about 2 minutes. Gonna take it off. We're gonna see what it tastes like. Alright family, so we're about to take off our grilled cheese. So we got our spatula so we can press it down. You can see the cheese coming out the sides. So what we did with our low carb, we put some butter on there. That helps the bread taste a little bit better. And then also on our wheat bread, we put some butter on the top of it too. You can see cheese nice and melting coming out. Alright family, so we're going to try our grilled cheese pizza style sandwiches that we just grilled. So as you can see, we got our pizza, cheese, we got our bacon, our pepperoni, our cheese, and nice grill. So we're going to dip it in our marinara sauce and try it. That's that fire, y'all. That's good. Nice smoke flavor. Real good. Eat one of our low carb chips. If you want to know what brand chips we use, check out our grocery haul. It has it on there. I'm going to try a low carb pizza too. Let's try it. Dip it in the sauce. That's that fire. The grill helps the low carb bread taste better. And we put some butter on it too. So, you know, sometimes low carb bread can be a little dry. But this is not like that. This is real nice, good flavor. You're gonna really like it if you're in the low carb stuff. Well, there you have it, family. Grilled cheese style sandwiches on the grill. Thank you for joining the Grilling Oasis. I've enjoyed you. See you next time.